As Terma, a company primarily known for manufacturing radiators, we also offer external painting services, with a particular focus on powder coating. Our painting and coating services cater to individuals, manufacturers, and entrepreneurs, especially those with products made of mild steel in their inventory. We have experience, we know how to do it, and we do it well. What distinguishes us in the market in terms of powder coating is primarily the quality we offer to our customers, particularly high corrosion resistance, which is the main goal of metal coating, as well as the decorative properties of the applied surfaces. We understand the importance of aesthetics in painting and ensure meticulous execution. In terms of our powder coating services, our standard process for preparing mild steel involves abrasive blasting. Subsequently, the product undergoes a comprehensive chemical surface preparation process, which consists of several components, the most important of which are degreasing with detergent, iron phosphating, several baths or rinsing zones, and a sealing process with nanotechnology based on OX silanes. Following this preparation, the product moves through a heating, sealing, and drying process of the coating, and then into the powder coating process. As manufacturers, we take full responsibility for our products. We possess in-depth knowledge of the materials, including the steel grade and class, facilitating effective control over the entire process. As for entrusted materials, that is, items entrusted for painting, the matter is more complicated because we take responsibility not only for our products but primarily for the products of this customer. We realize that by entrusting us with a particular service, the customer is placing the quality of their product in our hands. The maximum dimensions we can accommodate for painting on our line are those that fit within the confines of a rectangular prism window, with dimensions of 2.3 meters by 2 meters and a depth of 1 meter for the detail. The maximum load we can accept for painting processing is up to 300 kg. In customer inquiries, we are often asked whether there are any requirements that the customer needs to fulfill or what requirements must be met for us to accept such a service. The answer is no. The customer provides us with the product, specifies the desired quality, and we deliver accordingly. We are flexible and responsive to customer needs, offering options such as two-coat painting with an additional protective layer to enhance corrosion protection. We are able to offer very competitive prices and, above all, attractive service delivery times. Our range of services extends beyond mere application of coatings to raw materials. We can remove the existing coatings and revitalize products through our proprietary technology, extending their lifespan and finally finishing with powder coating. Thanks to our well-developed logistics team, we can efficiently organize shipments to the customer's designated location.